4:30 a.m. Friday, the stage was 10.5 feet. Flood stage is 12.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage this afternoon to a crest of 12.4 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage this evening. Impact. At 12.0 feet, some homes on the New York side and north of the bridge in Callicoon begin to flood. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 12.0 feet on December 2, 1996.